It's a 2018 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Experience it for yourself today.
We hope you enjoyed this virtual walk-around at Ken Houtz Chevrolet Buick. We're conveniently located at 6404 George Washington Memorial Highway in Gloucester, Virginia.